Well, folks, it's official. Cristiano Ronaldo, the GOAT of football, and MrBeast, the GOAT of YouTube stunts, are teaming up to break the internet. No, this isn't a fever dream. It's 2024, and nothing makes sense anymore. So what do we know about this colossal crossover? Honestly, not much, but hey, we're here to speculate wildly anyway. 1. The announcement. Ronaldo goes YouTube official. Ronaldo, in his infinite wisdom, took to his YouTube channel. Yes, Ronaldo has a YouTube channel called You Are Cristiano. And no, it's not just him kicking balls into a goal on repeat. He announced that MrBeast will be his next guest, and the video drops on November 21st. Mark your calendars, folks, because apparently this is what breaking the internet looks like in 2024. 2. The teasers. Ronaldo's cryptic hints. Before the big reveal, Ronaldo teased this collab with cryptic Instagram posts like, "Something big is coming." Yeah, okay. Cristiano, coming from you big could mean anything from a new Bugatti to another golden boot. And then there were leaked images that had fans losing their minds faster than a VAR decision in the Premier League. The internet detectives pieced it together, and when the official announcement came, it was like Christmas morning for Ronaldo stans and Beast-maniacs alike. 3. What could they be doing? Wild speculation time. Now here's the million-dollar question, or, knowing MrBeast, the $100 million question: what exactly are they going to do? Let's brainstorm, shall we? Ronaldo attempting a MrBeast-style challenge like kicking penalties blindfolded while Beast gives away cars for every goal missed. Or maybe MrBeast makes Ronaldo recreate his most iconic goals, but on a beach with a live audience of crabs. And let's not rule out philanthropy. Imagine Ronaldo signing footballs while Beast builds an entire village in Portugal. It's wholesome and chaotic. 4. The potential impact. Viewer stats gone wild. This collab isn't just big, it's insane. MrBeast has over 330 million subscribers, and Ronaldo's YouTube channel, which already has nearly 67 million subscribers, is skyrocketing faster than one of his free kicks. Together, they could probably pull more viewers than the World Cup final, and that's just on a random Tuesday. Some are even saying this could be the most watched YouTube video ever, which makes sense. Between Ronaldo fans, Beast fans, and people who just can't resist a good internet-breaking moment, it's basically a perfect storm. 5. The mixed reactions. Not everyone's impressed. Of course, not everyone is hyped. Some Messi fans are in the comments like, "Why not Messi?" Others are bringing up MrBeast's recent controversies because, you know, the internet can't let anyone have nice things. And then there are the purists, clutching their pearls saying, "Ronaldo doesn't need this. He's a legend." Yeah, well, legends gotta stay relevant, Karen. 6. The historical context. Ronaldo enters the YouTube creator world. This isn't Ronaldo's first dip into digital culture. He's hung out with iShowSpeed, who basically worships him, and he's all over FIFA. But teaming up with MrBeast, that's next level. It's like football royalty meets the king of YouTube, and they're here to rewrite the playbook. If this works, it might just set the bar for athlete-creator collaborations. Who's next? LeBron James teaming up with PewDiePie? Serena Williams doing trick shots with Dude Perfect? The possibilities are endless. 7. Conclusion. Internet, brace yourself. So what do you think? Is this the collab we never knew we needed, or just a publicity stunt on steroids? Will they actually break the internet, or just give it a slight crack? Either way, November 21st is going to be wild. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your wildest guess for this collab? And while you're at it, start bracing yourself, because the internet is about to go boom.